see. Come a little closer to me. It's the roller coaster. Ah, ah, ah. Don't feel defeated. I'll give you motive. I'll give you a reason. I can't find your love nowhere anymore. I wanted you to stay with me, to stay with me, to save me. I wanted you to stay with me wherever you go. I can't pretend it, don't understand.
Oh man, something wrong. 2 days now you're not answering your phone, Celine. And you're there home.
Pops, I'm worried now. It's a couple days now and we don't hear from her now. You not worried?
About the same amount of worry I had when you disappeared.
Pops, that different.
How?
Be more tactical than a seasoned agent.
Yeah, but sometimes seasoning get burnt.
The fact that you don't have our locator, that made me worried.
You didn't have your locator either, you know. As a matter of fact, if my memory serves me correct, you took off yours on purpose.
That wasn't necessary.
And we don't know what she may have found to be necessary. The minute I trust an agent enough to allow them to go dark, I have to trust them enough to exercise their training, their instincts, and their judgment. You know, like I do with you.
Alright, Pops. I understand.
I did do my own little research. And Carlton has been running up and down the place trying to find her. Which means him don't know nothing about this darkness.
As far as Carlton is concerned, she working for a private company at home. So naturally, him a go worried. I mean, 2-3 days and him not hear from her, him not see her. Him a go worry.
It's Easter. Maybe he's afraid of bun.
Pops, you know you must cut it out. I doubt that is his worry though.
Okay. You know something I don't? But I can tell you something that I know. You have any link on Tony's movements?
You know, I got some information though that he landed in Canada and him link with a Adrian Badu. Does that name ring a bell?
Tony's circling up all of his old friends. Mr. Badu was a part of the original setup. And he had all the angles, anything green or white. It seems now that he has matriculated into weaponry. So now that you have wiped out the African connection, just gone for the Indian.
So you think we should intercept anything that's coming in from Canada for Tony?
Don't care about it, say a fool, you know. However, the first 3 or 4, we're not going anywhere near, we're just observing, clean. If Tony is living up to his training, the first 3 or 4 shipments are going to be clean like a whistle. And we can't display our knowledge by trying to raid them or anything. Let them go on. The 4th or the 5th, you know what to bring for.
Alright, Pops. I just hope you're right.